Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 3rd of September 2015. And in the 5-minute charts, let's have a look back yesterday. Around 10 a.m. we've got the market trading sideways there after the sort of the 10 a.m. cutoff. So just before that, we've got, let's have a look. At 6:25 we had a sell signal there that failed to continue down to the psychological level. Eventually it made it, but came back in between to create this double top that we see here. The market then reversing and moving back with the up move that we had in the background on the overnight market, but again stopping at that double top with the best part of 20 points there, and then a sell, and again this time nearly making it down to the psychological level, with those two there picking up the loss incurred in this trade here that we had earlier on. And then if there was nothing else, as the cutoff is sort of 10 a.m, which is around here, and then we see the market just trade sideways and then move higher before the official session at 2:30. Again, a lot of volatility there. You can see the market being marked down, then finding support there with the psychological level of 16,150 before making its way up in the what would normally be the quieter part of the session, but then the market sideways and then eventually kicking off in the post evening session back to the overnight there. Again, that one's just too late. It's at 8:35, which is only about 25 minutes before the close. It certainly would have been profitable, but it's too close to the close if you don't hold positions on the overnight. And then we have on the overnight, that's at 25 past 11 last night. That's when the Chinese market, the Asian markets come on board, and then of course you see the market reversing and moving down, but still a nice bit of volatility on the overnight. And this last signal was at 3:15 this morning. This is been sideways so far, needs to get back above that 16,350 level. So the markets in the bigger picture is easy to see. Is yesterday the market higher, a bit of buying around, but nothing significant for yesterday. Trading back up to that 76% that I drew in yesterday. Now struggling with that in the daily chart there, and also the high of the selling bar for the Black Monday that it's now become known of a week ago on Monday. That at 16,435. On the news today, 3 p.m, there's a lot of stuff out all morning, but 1:30 there's a whole host of stuff out from the US and the European area. 12:45 actually it starts, the minimum rate from the US and the UK at 9:30. That's got services PMI. So we've got some unknown reason that normally comes out with the UK rates, minimum bid rate anyway, 12:45 for the Eurozone, then 1:30. All of this will be out before the main market actually opens. But 3 p.m. Non-manufacturing PMI, be interesting to see how that one comes out. Forecast at 58.3, previous 60.3 there. And then finally, quick look at the Shanghai market, down 0.2. So have a look at a bigger scale, the time frame of 1 month, and you can see the market there still rounding over again as we move forward. So whatever they're doing in China is really not holding or supporting the market. Price is rolling over a bit there. And then in the implied volatility, 21.94, down yesterday of course the market moved higher, and again enough froth out of this market to indicate that we could move back to the downside. And also we've not had a 50% retracement yet. Anything that breaks a 50% retracement in the implied volatility tends to indicate that the down move is over and we will reverse and move higher. But failure to break the 50%, as in this case, then we can see there's potential for another downside move in the underlying market. That is the Dow, of course. Right, that's it from me for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. I am here today. Yesterday was a one-off, but I will be here all day today. So if anything happens where it gets a bit crazy like it did a week and a half ago, then I will let you know what to do or not to do via email. Right, that's it from me. See you in tomorrow's. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.